Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TIA. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after breaking out a symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour time frame chart, this was by the way the previous triangle. It had a very nice and powerful rally and got stuck inside in another rising wedge pattern. And now we have also broken out this rising wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of November 2023 with my members. And this move has produced almost 130% pump so far. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of November 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that TIA formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see that after the completion of this leg, it was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some price correction. And once it will be entered inside the buying zone once again, then we can buy it here. And then we can expect the next reversal. Now, after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal. First, it dropped down once again inside this buying zone. And then we had some price accumulation and geared up, and it was almost or more than 130% pump so far. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of TIA, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart. And previously, I was showing you that it broke out the triangle, and it was retesting the previous resistance of the triangle as support here when I shared my first video on TIA with you almost 2 days ago. At that time, it was testing the support, this resistance as a support, and I was telling you that now there is a very high probability that we may have a powerful reversal from here. By the way, the target for this breakout from this symmetrical triangle was here. That was approximately here at 2.72 cents. And you can see that we had a very powerful rally. And recently it was stuck inside in another rising wedge pattern. And now after the breakout, it is retesting the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. If we switch to the smaller time frame chart, on a 1-hour time frame chart, then you can see that here we have found another rejection point or resistance that is at 5.5 cents, and therefore we need to break this level as well in order to confirm this breakout. And if we take a look at the target for this breakout, then after this breakout, the target can be here. That will be approximately at $6.63. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.